Hey there, welcome to Anomaly Scheduling. So we have a new feature that was added this week, which is an audit report for cancellation fees as well as no-show fees. So if in your settings you have cancellation fees set up or no-show fees set up, you'll want to make this your best practice daily to go into this audit report. And what the audit report's going to show is all the clients that that have a fee assigned to them, either for cancellation or for no-show. What you'll see is basically a flag or a trigger here that you can slide to cancel. So by default, because it's in your settings that you will charge a cancellation fee or a no-show fee, by default it's going to approve. Now it's not going to charge immediately. It's going to charge, basically we put in a 15-hour window that's to accommodate for overnight, that's to accommodate for weekends. So you have an opportunity to basically remove that fee for a client. So a great example of that would be, somebody who no shows a session, but basically they had a flat tire, for example. So you probably don't want to compound their misery of having a flat tire with also then charging them a cancellation fee or a no-show fee on their account. So this gives you the power to provide the customer service necessary for clients in those situations. So again, best habit, daily practice is to assign this review to somebody each day and make sure they have the authority to cancel out those fees by basically running that slider through. Okay, as part of that process, we put in a check-in cancellation process or update. So when you're in the actual session and you're going to mark somebody as no-show, for example, it's going to give you this information about the session. You have the opportunity to actually block it at this point. Do you want to use the session credit or apply a no-show fee in that particular situation? So it's going to default based off of your settings if you have those set. You will see the verification text down here. So in this case, the session credit is checked. So the credit for this session will be applied and the no-show fee will be applied to the user's account. So you can always uncheck those. You'll notice that the text updates, so you'll know exactly what is happening based off of your activity. I'm going to go ahead and leave those there. Let me do this one as a cancellation. It's going to give me the same options. So I'm going to hit those. Now when I go into my scheduling reports, you'll see that these are now active, right? So by default, they'll show as approved. I have the option to mark it as canceled. So in the case of this 7 a.m. cancellation, so let's say this is the flat tire situation, I decide, you know what? I don't want to charge you a fee because you had a flat tire and couldn't make the session, had to cancel. You can slide that. Now, I will tell you, this is basically once you slide it, it's done. So don't be wishy-washy on your decisioning. Make the decision. I don't want to charge it. Boom, it'll get canceled. It'll show as canceled. Same thing here on your no-show fee. So if you wanted to cancel that, you can cancel that in the same manner. Now, this is going to run a 15-hour clock and then run on the next job time. So it gives you plenty of time to do the audit and assessment. So even if you, obviously you don't want to miss a day. So if it's a day you have sessions, make it part of your standard operating procedures at the end of the day, or, you can do it after your morning sessions and after your evening sessions, whatever works best for your facility. But don't miss this because, again, it will automatically charge those because that is how you have it set in your system. Thank you.